Hi friends, Linda here with Life on Summer Hill, and today I am going to show you how to make these adorable snowflakes out of paper bags. I recently went to my daughter's and she was making these cute little snowflakes out of brown paper bags, and they turned out adorable, and I knew it was something you would want to see too. So I've created some in white this time, and I've made them in different sizes, and I'm also including some pattern ideas to help you out. So I hope you enjoy, and good luck. It's an easy project that the whole family can do.
Start with 9 bags and draw a T-shape with a glue stick across the bottom and down the middle, and then place another bag on top and press it where you place the glue. Then repeat that step by making that T-shape again with a glue stick and placing another bag until you have all 9 bags. This is what it should look like. Next, grab the patterns I have linked in the description and cut them out on extra paper bags. Now trace the pattern on top of the stack of bags. Next, cut out the pattern. It helps to use sharp scissors or new ones from the Dollar Tree. You don't have to perfectly cut where you drew. Close is good enough. Now start opening your snowflake from the top. If any bags are not stuck together, grab your glue stick or hot glue gun and secure it. Follow by opening the snowflake, bringing it all the way around. If all looks good, fold the snowflake back together. Cut a piece of string or yarn about 24 inches and have your stapler ready. Next, apply the T-shaped glue across the bottom and down the middle. Then open the snowflake, placing your hands inside and press where the glue is together. Pinch the ends with your fingers. Place the end of the string on the glue and staple it together. And there you have it, a beautiful snowflake.
Okay, so what do you think? Are you ready to try to make these adorable snowflakes? Here's some ideas on where you can put them. You can sit them on bookcases, which is super easy. All you do is not include the string and sit them up on your bookcase. And you can also go to the store and buy some popcorn bags like I did on this cute red and white one. I found these bags at the Dollar Tree, and I basically just cut off the part that said popcorn and made them a smaller size. And then last, don't forget, you can make brown ones like my daughter or white ones, and you can hang them like I've hung them here on my coat rack in my rocking chair room. And you can also hang them from your ceiling. There's so many ideas, so many ways you can use these for fun. I even think they would be super cute in a child's room. So I hope you've enjoyed this DIY, and I hope it gives you encouragement to pull out your scissors and some brown paper bags and make some of these adorable snowflakes. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you soon.